To turn on the hotspot, hold down the menu button on the left side of the device as shown until you see the word Welcome pop up on the screen. After a few seconds, you will see the words Please wait, and then it takes a few seconds more for the device to get started. Once you see the words T-Mobile appear on the home screen, touch the menu button on the left side once again to display the Wi-Fi name, touch the menu button a second time to display the required Wi-Fi password, and touch one more time to return to the T-Mobile home screen. Here in the right corner of the screen, you will see the battery display indicator, and the left corner indicates that you have service. And the charging port is located here on the right side of the device. As an example, to connect the hotspot to your smartphone with an Apple phone, go to your settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap the words AJPL hotspot, tap the menu on your hotspot twice to bring up the password, and enter the password on the password screen of your smartphone. Tap Join to connect, and you should see a check mark next to the words AJPL hotspot to indicate you are connected to the internet. To turn off the device, hold the menu button on the left side of the device until you see the words Goodbye.